Hey, welcome. And now we can display the product description. To do this, we have to go back to our VS Code and scroll up. To display the product description, we can easily just go ahead and say test widget. And in order to access that top level variable, we then have to say widget, then dot product data. But we do not want to display the product description just this way, but we want to use a widget known as expansion tie. And the reason for this is so you know how to, so it is called expansion tie. And now within the expansion tag, it has a property known as title. And what we can do is over here, we can have a text which is going to say product description. And over here, we can have a text which will say view more. Now with my explanation, you can see these two widgets are going to be displayed horizontally. So what we can do is we can use a row widget in order to render our widget horizontally, that is from left to right. And we can have this first test widget, and this will say product description, and we can have the other test widget, sorry, and this is gonna say view more. Okay, now use Control and S to save, and let's see this. You're gonna see it over here. Okay, you can see we have it over here, and we can click on this. So what we want to do is when we click on it, we want to be able to see the product description. But before then, what we can do is within the row, we can say main axis element, then main axis this alignment is not predicting main axis alignment dot space between. And also we can change this test color, test style. Color is going to be colors dot yellow, then shade of 900. And as well, we can do same style, test style, not okay, colors dot yellow, then shade 900. Okay, great. Use Ctrl and S now to save. Wait for this. Wait for this. Okay, great. We have it over here. And when we click on it, we want to be able to display the product description. To do this, within the expansion tag, it has a property known as children. Before then, we can add a comma via to know where this row ends. And the row, okay, this is the row via, and within the expansion tag, it has this property known as children. And then we want to be able to display the widget.product data, and the name of the field is called description. Make sure you have no spell mistake, else you're going to get a bad state error. And also we can just go ahead and style this test style and font size to be 17. And okay, use Ctrl and S to save. And let's see this. Wait for this. Wait for this and click on this. Okay, I think I have that over there. Just gonna, okay, I have this age as the product description. But what we can do is we can try to see if we can add some more uh, detail. I'm just gonna copy this, and this is the product description over here. Is this and update, and I'm just gonna go back. Remember, we are not using the string builder over here, so it's not gonna get displayed real time. Okay, we have this over here, and let's see if we can change the color to colors dot gray, and let's see how it's gonna look like. Wait for this. I think it's, what about shade 300? Let's see. You can always have your own style. You do not really need to follow me. My styling is not really good. This is worst. So I'm just gonna go with this gray, and we can also give some letter spacing of 8 in order to have uh, some spaces between each text letters. Okay, wait for this. Wait for this. Too much. I think Siri should be okay. Let's see this now. Okay. And probably you might have a lot of description and it will result to error. So what we can do is we can make this page scroll label. To do this, I think I did it behind the scene. I'm just going to get rid of it and do it again. So we have to wrap this column with a widget known as single child scroll view. And what this will do is it will enable us to scroll this page. So to do this, alight and use Ctrl and dot, wrap with widget, and the name of the widget is called single child scroll view. Single child scroll view. So everything is working now as we expect. And lastly, we can wrap this with a padding. Wrap with padding. This should be okay. We can always change things if we want. Okay. And what about if we say test online? Outside, within the test widget, not within the style, it has a property known as test align. We can then say test align dot center and see how this is gonna look. Okay. Okay, I think this should be best. Okay, we can click on this and click on this to see more of the description. Okay, everything is working as we expect. Okay, see you in the next lecture.